Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about correlative conjunctions. Let's get started. Remember that conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Have a look at the example over here. Susan is an amazing wife and a wonderful mom. Note that the word and is a conjunction and it's used to link two sentences together. Susan is an amazing wife, a wonderful mom. Now there are many types of conjunctions, and among them are correlative conjunctions. Now correlative conjunctions are used to connect two equal grammatical items in a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. Either you apologize or I'll call mommy. Note that you apologize and I'll call mommy are two equal grammatical items. Now these conjunctions come in pairs. For example, either, or, neither, nor, not only but also, rather than, etc. Now, when using correlative conjunctions, pay attention to the subject-predicate agreement so that you have parallel structures. Have a look at the examples below. College life is not only about partying, but also study like crazy. Now, this sentence would be incorrect. The correct form would be college life is not only about partying, but also about studying like crazy. Note that a negative correlative like neither nor can go at the beginning of a sentence. Now, in this case, the word order is inverted and the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. Now, compare the sentences below. Neither did Sam clean the apartment, nor did he buy groceries. Sam neither cleaned the apartment nor bought groceries. Note that in the first sentence, the auxiliary verb did comes before the subject, Sam. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that correlative conjunctions connect two equal grammatical items in a sentence. Now these conjunctions come in pairs. For example, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, rather than, etc. Now read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with the correct ones. Juice, water, I don't drink anything else. Either juice or water. You should buy sweets for yourself, for your small siblings. Sharing is caring. You should buy sweets not only for yourself but also for your small siblings. Sharing is caring. He'd stay at home the whole winter. Go out in the freezing weather. He'd rather stay at home the whole winter than go out in the freezing weather. Note that a negative correlative like neither nor can go at the beginning of a sentence. Now in this case, remember that the word order is inverted and the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. Now read the following sentences and provide the correct form. Maggie neither to call me nor to send a text yesterday. Maggie neither called me nor sent a text yesterday. Neither me nor me a text yesterday. Neither did Maggie call me nor did she send me a text yesterday. Here is a short story using correlative conjunctions. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. We can go either to the park or to the mall. I don't feel like going anywhere. I'd rather stay at home than go anywhere. Is something wrong? No, everything's okay. I just feel a bit sick. I don't know why though. Neither did I eat anything weird nor did I drink alcohol. You should definitely rest then. And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and correct the mistakes. A. They are either crazy nor madly in love. B. Neither did Becky understand her friend, nor she tried to understand her. C. Traveling alone isn't as fun as to travel with friends. D. These jeans are both expensive or outdated. E. She'd rather buy frozen food than cooking every day. F. This joke is neither funny or appropriate. G. Not only will they come here, but will they also stay with me for a whole week? H. He would rather die than would tell them the truth. I. She finds James not repulsive only, but also annoying. J. Only not does he sing, but he also dances at the same time. And now, let's check your answers. They are either crazy or madly in love. Neither did Becky understand her friend, nor did she try to understand her. Traveling alone isn't as fun as traveling with friends. These jeans are both expensive and outdated. She'd rather buy frozen food than cook every day. This joke is neither funny nor appropriate. Not only will they come here, but they will also stay with me for a whole week. He would rather die than tell them the truth. She finds James not only repulsive, but also annoying. Not only does he sing, but he also dances at the same time. Thank you for watching this tutorial.